Welcome to my More Than a Game vertical template. This template works with just about any outdoor sport. This template is designed to create a striking, artistic image that keeps the focus exactly where it belongs, on the athlete. You can choose between an artistic multi-pose layout for a layered, high-impact look, or keep it fast and streamlined with an easy single-pose option. This template includes a variety of different ground options. It has like a first base here that can be moved around. It also has a home plate, a second or third base option, and a pitcher's mound. Again, any of those can be adjusted and moved to place wherever you want to. It also includes a grass layer that works great for outfielders or things like soccer, football, field hockey, lacrosse, band, cheer. All that stuff looks great there. And you can even shut the different baseball elements off and just use dirt for something like cross country. If you're a volume photographer, you don't have to use, for example, the subject's name up here. Instead, it could be something like this, where it says Spartans Baseball. That'll cut down on the amount of customization you have to do. You can even simplify that further and do something like this, where it's just a single pose. Here's an even easier version where you don't even show the feet, and it's just a close-up option of it. As with all my templates, it's an instant download, includes Adobe fonts that automatically load for you, and there's a great tutorial that'll give you tips and tricks for customizing. If you're looking for something artistic and impactful this season, this is the perfect template to make your athletes look awesome.